Good morning, traders. Can you guys hear me? Let's do a sound test. Good morning, everybody. Can you guys hear me? Guys, just give me a 1 second. Just give me 1 second before we start. I'm just trying to do some solve technical issues. Sorry, guys, just bear with me. Hi, Luis. Hi, Andre. I'm just trying to connect my interactive broker account to this platform. So just bear with me. Give me a few more seconds. All right, let's start with Luis. Let's start, and Andre, let's start with the Baba review and SPY and Nasdaq all were moving up, and Baba was down quite bit of time. Now I found a support under 200, over 200, and now it's trying to move back. If we look at the intraday on the 5-minute chart, and we notice that it is gapping up. um and it's holding over the VWAP around 223. So we need to see whether what is going to happen, whether it's hold this consolidation or not. It seems to me that it's still the low volume, but given if we just go and look at the uh, you know some time before, it's been it is all the is above all the levels. So right now it is flat, but we'll keep checking it if it's gonna get the momentum, and we can trade it. So right now, for me, the level would be the pre-market high and this consolidation, which is I'm going to map it now. Guys, just give me a few seconds. I wanted to restart my platform, so just give me a few seconds, okay? I'm just gonna uh, come back. Just give me 1 second. All right, guys. Sorry, I'm back now. Okay, let's do that quickly without wasting more time. I was just trying to figure out that how I'm going to set up my account. So my account is set up now. So we can do that. Okay, so first one, the Baba, the other, for sure the AMC would be on my list today. Look at this, it's reaching out all-time high right now, beautifully moving back up. Uh, uh, I was looking at this time at the 29, but my account was not set up, so I won't be able to trade. But now this is really moving forward, so we definitely need to keep an eye on that stock. Next one is a CLDR. Let's check it out. CLDR. So CLDR, CLDR, though it's gapped up, so it's on the this resistance over 1322, and there's a gap. So it most likely, if it's gonna move up, it most likely gonna fill up this gap. So definitely we need to keep this into our radar, and if it's gonna move up, we definitely foresee that it will cover this gap, which is around the 50 cents gap. So this could be a good one. But right now, the stock is already gapped up over 1580. Oh, I thought this is here. So sorry, sorry, sorry. I think this gap is not relevant. Right now, the price is a 1589, and the close by resistance and the support I see is a 17 is the resistance, and the 1548 would be the support. And if you look at the intraday, uh, by going in a 5 minute chance, beautiful consolidation over close to the highs. Right now, there's not much momentum. Look at the volumes. Volume is not great. Steeping down, but very slowly. So might get pulled back when it reached to 1560. So definitely keep as a secondary, but not as a primary. Um, let's look at the Neo. So Neo, and just bear with me because this is a new platform for me. I'm using first time. Given I have a lately issues with the interactive broker, so I moved to this platform. So yeah. So right now, if you look at the Neo is beautifully gapping up, going up above the 40 is a nice whole number. Uh, the next resistance I see on the 41 and then 43. Uh, um, and if you look at the intraday, On the 5 minute charts, we can quickly see here that is making a waves, and when it touched the high, is now slightly coming down, but I think it's still holding this level, which is around 39. So this could be a crucial level here. If it's hold 39 and move over 40, then definitely it seems to me that it's gonna go. And market is strong today, so both sides are up. And look at the AMC. You will be crazy that look at how the AMC's been trading right now. It's the real thing now, like a GME. Like the Neo, the XPAV is also gapping up. Let's just look at the daily quickly because might be a same EV sector play. I think it's more or less similar. Is gapping up, and next support and resistance what we have is on this side, and we can definitely do that. This 200 moving average could be an important resistance, so we need to keep an eye on that. And yeah, so uh, the 32 would be an important support here, and then 31 here is another support, but right now it is already on 33, so I don't think so that it's gonna pull back that much, but it possible like an XPAF, right? S- um, so keep this 33 and the 32 38 level in your radar. And yeah, so these two were the ones on the gapping up. I don't see any stock under the gapping down. Let's look at the small float, uh, small cap accounts, and do we have anything in small cap? Small cap, we have MOXC. So MOXC is daily. If you look at the daily, it is it is gapping up. Why it is gapping up? So it seems to me the previous day close was what? So previous day close was at 10, right? Okay. So yesterday it closed on 10. Now it tried to open up and then came down and moved back up right now. So yeah. So kind of a mix. So I don't know. I'm not gonna trade this. Uh, no clear momentum. So even though market is moving up, but there's not many stocks. So EV and AMC and Baba. What do you guys looking at it? Do you guys have anything special you want us to look at it? I'm just gonna mark the AMC, uh, Baba, and Neo, XPath. Let's check the beyond extended. I haven't checked the extended one this weekend. I was busy, so let's check the extended one. What else we have in extended? So people may call AMC an extended. Uh, the space is extended. So if you look at the space is extended. This was the first day from move from 35 to 30. So, for sure, space is the extended. Let's look at the beyond. Uh, let's look at the beyond. Beyond is kind of an extended. The first yesterday was the first gapping down day. I mean, on the before the long weekend. Uh, VSTO looks the VSTO look like a VSTO look like extended stocks. If you look at it from 30 all the way to 44, and Thursday was a big day, Friday was a consolidation. So if it comes under 43, then it could be a good momentum. But right now, it's still on the extended side. Uh, yeah, Hi, Bridget. You reminded me to look at the Bitcoin stocks too. I mean, I haven't looked at the Bitcoin stocks. Let's check the Bitcoins and CAN together. So for Mara, if you look at the Mara, Mara is right now on the congested area, slightly gapping down, but you never know that it turn into a green. So I will keep an eye on this because this is Mara and Bitcoin are on an important level. If the Bitcoin hold 40,000 level, then you might see in another run for the Bitcoin stock. So I will keep Mara. Let me just put it Mara and then Riot, and let's look at for you the CAN. So for CAN, if you look at it right now, see, I don't know, but um, instead of playing CAN, you can play Mara, Bitcoin, other Bitcoin stocks, because it's already on the $8. Unless you're expecting it's gonna move down, it's really not a good momentum stock. It's gonna chop you around. Look at that how it traded on the last working day, right? On the May 28th. One candle up, one candle down. The no clear momentum. Let's look at few more days before. So, don't use these stocks, those who not in play and those are on chopping area, or they're in the consolidation or sideways. You won't be able to predict the move, right? If you're gonna lucky, you will get the move, but most of the time, look at the size of the candles. No clear move. So at the 9:30, let me just look at the 5-minute charts. That's gonna be better. You can see here. So if you look at it at 9:30, market started. Look at the how bad wick was this. Then another wick, then came down, then moved back up. Then if you playing this breakdown after this 864, you get only 20 cents, and then again move back up. So no clear momentum for you to play. So avoid those kind of stocks. Then the next one is the VTNR. Let's check it out. The VTNR. So VTNR, this looks good. It is breaking out. Um, uh, you know, let's check it out. The patterns here. Okay, so in the pre-market, beautiful, volume and the nice candles. Touch all-time. I think all-time high. It was 11:15, and then move back down and then start consolidating. So this could be a good play. Look at the size of the candles, forming a nice candles, nice formation. It's expected when the stock move all-time high, it might push back sometime. Right now it's consolidating, so I will mark this level 914. I will mark as a 950 area as a support, and then I will find this as a resistance on the. So I will see that if it's break these levels, then my first target would be the pre-market high, and if it's break the pre-market high, the next target would be nobody knows because it is an all-time high. So volume is nice, right? 257 million volume just on uh, 2 days ago, day before 173 million. So it's nice volume stock. So that's good. Let's look at that Ford. For Ford, so that was a good move for the Ford. Is extended to move down. Now, whether it's going to continue the upward momentum or just give you a little bit more time, I don't know. And if you look at it, start chopping around at this point. So if you want to play the breakdown, then maybe you can wait to see for the breakdown, or if it's just gonna ripping higher, then just look at the higher because I don't know uh, I, whether within this range do we have enough room for us to get some momentum if it stay within the range, uh, you know. So if it's breakout, then it's going to be a good day for Ford. But if it's not breakout or breakdown, then it's gonna be a sideways. And sideways, just like if you look at this sideway, 13 high was 1346, almost in the whole day is just moved 50-60 cents. So within 50-60 cents, getting 30-40 cents is really difficult. So you need a bigger momentum stock which moves a little bit more than $1, $2. So then you can get 30, 40 cents between them. If a stock is only moving 30 cents on the inside day, for you it's gonna be harder to make money. Any other stock, guys, you want me to look at it? Guys, if you are not having a stock, then we can, just close it and just check out the summer promotion. For the first time clients, I'm offering a mentorship program. Uh, and you can go and check it out. And if you want to take feedback, you can take feedback from Lewis and see that this is something interests you. We're gonna go into detail. I will help you to see the more minute details about the price action, and you're definitely gonna enjoy. So it's just gonna be have a first trial week in the summer promotion. So check it out the first trial week, and if you wanna continue, then you can continue with that. So it's a nice promotion. Check it out, and if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me. All right, guys. So then. Have a great green day and be careful is after the long weekend sometimes we get really excited because we wanted to trade, we have not traded from last few days. So just take your time, don't jump on any trade. Okay, just take it easy. All right, thanks.